what we can talk about as an option. BlueStacks. Have you all heard of BlueStacks? It is an Android emulator that runs on both Windows and Mac. And I've used it, well, hey, look, there it is. And it's something that I've actually used to record some videos for the early days of this channel, specifically like the buying SafeMoon video when I had to use crypto.com and Trust Wallet and things like that. And it actually works pretty well. It's gotten a lot better over the years. I don't know if any of you had ever used it or used it maybe a few years ago and had some bad experiences with it, but what I could say is these days, at least, it works pretty well. Now, it's free. It's not open source. It's ad supported, as you can see by all these games, and can't really demo anything at the moment since the wallet's not out. But once the wallet comes out, we can go through this and do a little bit more of a walkthrough. But I just kind of wanted to get a feel for how everybody was thinking about this. Maybe situation or not. Well, if everyone's just going to use their phones, it's not even a thing. But I think there may still be some PC users out there who are looking for a non-mobile option. And if that is the case, then here you go. Go ahead and grab yourself some BlueStacks. You have Coinbase, Trust Wallet, and then this is what Crypto.com installs as on here. Once the SafeMoon Wallet comes out, we could do a little bit more of a better demonstration of it actually running on a Windows PC, hopefully, using the BlueStacks emulator. Or for anybody out there who doesn't have an Android or iPhone smartphone, who wants to still give the SafeMoon Wallet a try until they release some sort of a browser plugin, hopefully BlueStacks will be an alternative that works out well. I trust it these days. You know, it's been out for, has to be over a decade by now. And I'll say, you know, back when it first came out, it wasn't particularly wonderful. Most Android emulators used to not be particularly wonderful. But having used it quite a bit recently, looks like it's been working pretty well. Looks like it has been doing pretty well. Like I said, you can see I've got Coinbase and Trust Wallet on this install. And I have had no issues with either of those applications.